In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the proxy server on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I like to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select network and internet on the left panel, and then on the right side, select where it says proxy. Underneath manual proxy setup, where it says use a proxy server, select setup. Toggle this to the off position at the top and then select save. And where it says automatically detect settings up here, toggle this to the right to enable, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.